What's going on here? I am so excited to bring you another video today about Turo, my process, my progress, how I'm doing so far. I know there's a lot of you guys have different informations about Turo, but me personally, this is something I wanted to invest in. I do have other businesses, but I feel like Turo is a fun way. It's a way that's gonna at least help me to leave my nine to five job and which I can keep building other people's dream when I have my own dream to build. I do have other business like I'm selling ebooks, so not too bad at all. But today it's not about ebook selling. This is more like crypto type. I mean, this is more like nice money. You can be making money with selling, renting your car. So this is great stuff. I'm so excited. So last video that I made, I was showing you guys how my car was doing and stuff. But today I wanna kind of go over and show you guys where I buy my car. What I buy my car. This car I bought it for 30 G's and put it on the platform, and it's doing so well. And I like it. I'm really excited about the future and how many bookings I'm getting. It's unbelievable. Let's go to my earning. I know a lot of people don't like to show their earning, but me, because I want to keep it real with you guys, I have to show you my earning. I put this car in February 12. And February 12, I've put it on February 11. And then on the 12th, I got my first booking. I wish I can show you my screen, my phone screen, but unfortunately with this one I can't. On February I got my first booking, and yeah, so the first booking I got was, let's see, I can actually go to my history to quickly show you guys. So the first booking I got was on the 12th. Then right after the 12th ended, you can see on the 15th I got another booking again. And then from the 15th I got another booking again. After the 15th to the 20th, that same day I got another booking again. So I had to take that car to bring it again to the person. You see how many bookings so far? So many days that I've been booked. And then after I got the car on the 21st, I go back again on the 24th, 3 days apart. I had to bring it till March 2nd. Then again, after March 2nd, March 3rd, I had to bring it to March 7th. 9, 2 days apart, 9 to 12. And then currently, right now, as we speak, the car is actually on a trip right now. Like if you see here, it says on a trip. So right now, I have someone who has my car, and I can show you my calendar. Let's see. Let me see when this person gonna bring it back, just so you can see I'm not talking crazy. I'm not making anything up. I really want to show how well I'm doing. I'll give the car on the 15th, which is yesterday. I went drop it off at the airport, so I won't get it until the 21st. And then after that, it says here I got a good 4 days unbooked. Then I'm gonna bring it on the 26th all the way down till next month, April. Look at this, I'm already getting mad booking for April. And there's a lot of, with Turo, people do last minute booking, and which kind of, something that, and then the main reason why I feel like I'm not crazy booking, because I'm not available at all time. But if I was doing 3 hours booking, 3 hour notice booking, I was gonna be killing it. And this is why I'm leaving my 9 to 5 to do this full time. And I'm gonna just buy not just one car. Right now I only have this car. But you're talking about a guy who's planning to put 10 cars on this to build my empire. With 10 cars, you can easily make $20,000 a month with this. I believe it and I feel it. Again, it's gonna require you to be available. Not only you need to be available, you need to have someone. So a husband and wife who's sitting at home, or they can easily leave their job, focus on building an empire with Turo. Just be like, you just need each other to drop each other's, picking up each other's. Because with Turo, they allow you to charge people for delivery. So if you take your car, you bring it to the airport, you have to charge the person a fee, which let me kind of show you what I'm talking about. I'm trying to make this video really quick and very informative for people who's watching this. I don't want to take too much time because, you know, you don't want to make a long video. Let's see if I can show you let's go to my vehicle again. I'm gonna show you my calendar, my location, delivery, drop off. So I have some places to drop it off. Those, I live in Florida, Orlando, Florida. So at the international airport, I charge people $50, and different location, key location that people always go, not high-end hotels. People always go for conferences. This is all convention type of hotel. So I know people would often time they come to Orlando, it's because they're here for a conference and different things going on. So that's why I put those location, and if they want me to bring them, it's 25. And Turo only take out 10% from that money. So you keep majority of it. So which is good. So because you can make a lot of money just with the delivery if you have a second transportation. So this is why I think Turo would work if you have a partner with you. It won't work if you have to take an Uber. If you have to take an Uber back, that's money you're taking out from your pocket. So it's best to have two cars, one to drop off, then the other one to come back home. But that's why you need two people. So that's my opinion. In today's video, I hope you learned something. I got more videos coming up to show you different trick where to buy the car. That should have been what my video is about, but since I see it's getting late, just don't forget to subscribe and be ready to watch my next video. Thank you again for watching.